Once upon a time, in a faraway land called Jerusalem, there was a special place where the people went to worship and talk to God. It was called the temple. But one day, something sad happened. The temple got broken and destroyed during a big war, and the people had to leave their land and go far away. After a long time, the people were finally allowed to go back home. They were happy to be back, but their city was still in ruins because of the war. They realized they had forgotten something important. They had forgotten to rebuild the temple, the special place where they worshipped God. But then, a brave and wise man named Haggai came to talk to the people. He had a message from God. Listen, everyone. God wants us to rebuild the temple. It's a special place where we can worship and be close to Him. We must not forget about it, even after the war. Haggai told them that when they forgot about the temple, they faced troubles. The war had left them sad and afraid. But if we rebuild the temple and put God first, He will bless us and protect us. We can find hope and strength even after the war. The people listened to Haggai and realized he was right. They decided to start rebuilding the temple, even though it was hard work. They worked hard, and with God's help, they overcame the challenges and finished building the temple. The people were proud and thankful to have a special place to worship God again. They knew that even after the war, they could find peace and comfort in God's house. And that's the story of Haggai. It teaches us that even during difficult times, we should always remember to take care of special places where we worship and honor God. When we put God first, He blesses us and gives us strength. So, let's remember the story of Haggai and always cherish the special places where we connect with God, even after hard times like a war.